Okay. Can you see that there?
Mm-hmm.
Sienna, can you see that
Yes.
break there?
Yes.
Well, I know you can see it, Stephanie.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But that's right. You've seen that before. Okay, so that's an L5 issue there. And this case is so unique. Okay, so it's an L5 right there. But this case is unique because of the surgery here. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to set L5. This fusion is all the way from T11 to L4. We're going to set L5 with a double hip surgery too. So we're going to set from, there's a fusion all the way from T11 to L4.
Oh, did I forget to take my umbrella?
Nope, you're good. No, you did. You're good. Okay. I'm tying you up. Make sure you're decent for video, okay? Okay. So we're going to set L5 there. Go ahead, breathe in and breathe out. Nice and gentle. Okay, good. So this was from a fall. This was a tree fell on you in Costa Rica, right? And how many years ago was this?
Oh, goodness. 2004.
So 20 years ago, a tree fell on. Both hips replaced, and fusion from T11 to L4. Now, the vertebrae that's subluxated is L5. Had this been fused in, there would be nothing we can do. But because this wasn't fused, this still moves. And that's been your problem right there. And let's go recheck you and see where we're at. So we want to see that start coming back to the middle here. So we'll go back over that. And we can see how that's down more towards 0 there, right at that L5 there. So that's a good adjustment there. How are you holding up overall?
Great.
How so?
The lower back pain is almost basically gone.
Okay.
The upper is still a little bothersome, but that's just the kyphosis. But it's better.
Yeah.
And the neck is, I'm not feeling any situation with my neck at all, any pain.
So what are you doing differently now? Are you are you exercising differently, or working out differently, or walking differently, or what are you doing as far as activity-wise?
I'm able to do a little more because of this. I have a little more stamina, and I know it's making a definite difference. So.
When you came in, were you concerned about me adjusting you at all because of the hardware?
That was my number one concern.
Okay. But since you've been here, no. Okay, no issues.
I haven't had any issues at all.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for coming in. I'm glad you're better. Great.
Okay, well, I'm glad I met you.
I'm glad I met you. Crazy old ladies, right?